Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Unit testing is a tool that has a time and place like any other tool in your arsenal to improve software efficiency and cost effectiveness. It can accomplish a lot but may not be your best option in every situation. There are distinct advantages to using unit testing in the following scenarios. Take a test drive to make sure the code works before deploying it. Check the work to validate the code's function and identify potential defects. Document the process to support best practices and track progress. It might be tempting to expand the use of unit testing, but its limitations could create challenges too if you use it in particular situations. For example, performing a unit test on components that work with third-party systems might not yield consistent or reliable results. The task is too complex to break down into smaller components without losing something. Unit testing also creates an issue with complex systems like AI and robotic process automation, RPA. While you can perform unit tests in these scenarios, it is a massive undertaking and better tools are available. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.